Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Bluetooth section right away. Then click on the gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature to activate it. And wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now you need to click on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, click on this icon next to connected device and choose Unpair under device name. In order to connect to the same one, just click on it and select Pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!